Hello friends, welcome to Maths Explore. In this video, we will explore determinant topic. Here is a simple trick to remember definition of determinant and method to solve matrix and to find the determinant of given matrix. So, first question is that what is determinant? The answer is a determinant is a special number that you can calculate from a square matrix. Note that only square matrices have determinant. Note that only square matrices have determinant. For example, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, so on. To find the determinant of a matrix 2 by 2, I have an example. Example is, if A is equal to A, B, C, D, 2 cross 2 matrix, then find determinant of A. Determinant of A is denoted by determinant of A or mod of A. So, solution is A is equal to matrix A, B, C, D, 2 cross 2, then determinant of A is equal to, first multiply the top left number, by the bottom right number. Multiply top left number by the bottom right number. And second, multiply the top right number by the bottom left number. So, top right number by the bottom left number and minus them. This is formula for 2 by 2 matrix. Now, take another example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 cross 2 matrix, then determinant of A is equal to, same method, multiply the top left number by the bottom right number, so 4 ones are 4, and multiply the top right number to the bottom left number, so 3 multiplied 2 is 6, and minus them. The answer is minus 2. Now, take the another example. If example number 3, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3 by 3. So, in this example, we solve the 3 cross 3 matrix. Solution, how to solve it? Let's start it. Now, the method is, write down the given matrix. Given matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is the 3 cross 3 matrix. The determinant of A is, start with the top row. This is our top row. Start with the top row, pick each number in that row one at a time. So, 1, 2, 3. For each number, cover its row and column. What is left is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So, for first element of top row is 1. I will pick 1 and cover its row and column. So, the left matrix is 1, 2, 4, 1. Then pick the second number and cover its row and column. The second number is 2, cover its row and column. The left matrix is 4, 2, 3, 1. Now pick the third element of top row is 3 and cover its row and column. The left matrix is 4, 1, 3, 4. Now give the alternate sign. So first sign is plus, second sign is minus, and third sign is also plus. Now we know that how to solve the 2 by 2 matrix. 1. The method of solving 2 by 2 matrix is multiply the top left number by the bottom right number. So 1 ones are 1. Give the minus sign. Multiply the top right number to the bottom left number. 2 4s are 8. Minus 2. Next matrix is 4, 2, 3, 1. So multiply the top left number by the bottom right number. 4 ones are 4. Minus sign. Multiply the top right number to the bottom left number. 2 3s are 6. Next matrix is 4, 1, 3, 4. Again multiply the top left number to the bottom right number. 4 4s are 16. Minus sign. Multiply the top right number to the bottom left number. 3 ones are 3. We know that 1 minus 8 is minus 7. Minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 plus 3. 16 minus 3 is 13. After solving, we will get the answer minus 6 plus 4 is 26. The final answer is minus 7 plus 30 is equal to 23. The given matrix have the determinant in the form of one single value is 23. This is our answer. I hope this video is helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to follow on Instagram. Thank you.